Hey everyone, Kim here from Stand With Nature. Today I'm going to show you how to pot up a new plant in our premium Stand With Nature wood planters. It's super easy. I got this really pretty fishbone cactus this past weekend at the nursery, and I thought it would look really fun in my planter. So I am going to take my planter, I'm going to take the matching wood tray and plastic liner and put it to the side. And I'm going to pull the plastic liner out of the wood planter. Now you can see at the very bottom, our planters are unlike any wood planter on the market because we have really great drainage and aeration slots at the bottom of our BPA-free plastic liner. So this will allow for really great aeration to your roots of your plant, making a happy and healthy plant. And it will also allow great drainage. And while your plant's getting all that great drainage and aeration, it's not going to be touching your wood planter. All that soil or water that could be coming out in the bottom slot is not going to be touching your wood because of the plastic liner. So you easily just set it, the lip right here, and your plant goes right into the pot. So let me show you how to plant. You just pull out your plastic liner, get any soil that you need, and you're going to put some soil into the planter liner. It's super lightweight and BPA free, so that if you wanted to grow any herbs in your kitchen, you can easily do that and not have to worry about any bad plastic, BPA free. Then I'm going to take my fishbone cactus. I'm going to gently pull it out of the planter. And we're going to put the soil into the planter here. And you just put everything into the planter liner. Now when I'm putting stuff into the planter liner, I like to leave at least a ½ inch space at the top so that when I water my plant, it doesn't run over. And I'm going to take my root of my plant and stick it in to the planter liner. So now that we have the plant all put into the plastic liner, we can set it into the wood planter easily. Now the other great benefit to the Stand With Nature planters is that it has the nice clear plastic liner that you can see the roots of your plant. This really comes in handy if you like to grow orchids because you can easily see the roots of the orchids. Or any other plant, the bonus is that you can see the root system. And it's really easy to tell when your plant needs to be repotted because you can see through the planter and see the root system. So we're going to take the plastic liner that has the plant planted in it, and we're going to take our wood planter. And all you're going to do is take the liner and easily set it right in to the wood planter. Yeah, it's that easy. So we made sure to create a lip around the top of the liner that could easily slide in to the wood planter. Really simple, so easy to do. And your whole entire plant is resting on this plastic lip on the wood planter. So it's very durable, it's very sturdy, it's not going to fall in, it's not going to fall over. And once that's in, you can see down here, the plastic drainage technology slot has gone through the opening in the bottom. So when we water our fishbone cactus, the water is going to go in to the drainage tray. It'll drip into here and never touch the wood planter because we have the plastic feet. And we're going to put that into the wood tray. And there you go. The plant is all potted up and ready for decoration. So it's that easy to put a plant into the planter. And it is so fun to find plants that really look good with the wood color. This one is a walnut color, and these planters are made from paulownia wood, which is one of the fastest growing trees in the world, and it's sustainable and good for the environment. They have really huge leaves that help to soak up a lot of carbon dioxide, which helps with all of the pollutions we have in the air. So this is the premium Stand With Nature planter, and that is how you plant it up. Super easy. Now, if you ever wanted to take it out and switch out your plant, Easily set down your wood tray, grab out your plastic liner, take out your plant, and switch it to another plant that easily. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. And we will be coming out with some bigger sizes of our planters, as well as different stain colors. So stay tuned, we'll be putting that out soon. This planter will quickly become one of your all-time favorite planters because it's durable, lightweight, and so functional. You'll love it. Thanks so much.